And before we dive into this training, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please go ahead and do so and turn on your notification bell, because everything I'm teaching you, this is just a fraction of what we do. For those of you who wants to go deeper after this training, at Azavio Academy, we have a social media marketing course where we don't just teach you, we guide you. There's a 1 month mentorship included where we literally hold your hands and help you start landing clients. And this is not just talk. We have already had students land real jobs from this process. If you're serious about changing your income, you will definitely want to take advantage of that. For now, focus, take notes, and implement everything I'm about to show you in this training. Welcome to today's lesson. Today we'll learn how to create and customize a Facebook business page step by step. This is a very important tool for promoting your brand, building an online presence, or even showing up on Google search results. We're going to be looking at the difference between Facebook personal page and Facebook business account. So before creating your Facebook business account, you need to understand the difference between a Facebook personal account and a Facebook business page. So what is a personal Facebook account, if you may ask? Now, a personal Facebook account is a private space, okay, where you share personal updates like daily events, photos, or live stories with friends and family. Just a quick one, if you're enjoying this training so far, please pause and hit the subscription button, because trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming. All right, let's continue. And family. So a Facebook business page, on the other hand, is a professional space where you showcase your business, where you can promote your brand, your product, or services. It's a place you can also build your online presence on Facebook and Google. Finally, on a Facebook business page, you can share business updates, offers, or customer testimonial. It is also very important to know that a Facebook business page is linked with, it's always linked with your Facebook personal account. So you cannot create a Facebook business page without having a personal Facebook account. So we're going to be diving into a step-by-step guide on how to create a Facebook business account. So I'll be sharing my screen with us shortly. Okay, so let's dive in. I'll be taking us through the step-by-step guide to creating a Facebook business page. You're getting value. Now, imagine what a full structured learning with mentorship would do for you. If you're serious, check the link in the description box after this. All right, let's continue. So the first thing you need to do here is to log into your Facebook personal account by going to facebook.com and log in using your personal account details. Okay, so I'll be sharing my screen shortly. This is my personal Facebook page, as you can see here. So this is my home page. So like I said, how to get to this point, all you need to do is I am already logged in. That's why. So you just go to facebook.com and log in using your personal account. So the next thing is to start creating your page on your home page. So I'm going to click my profile. I'm going to click on my account. And then the next thing here, so I had some pages already. So we're going to create a new page. It's not a personal, so it's asking if it's a personal profile. So I'm not creating a personal profile, but a business profile. So all I need to do is to click on public page, and then you click next. Okay, so the next thing is to get started. So step 2 is to start creating your home page, is to name your page. Okay, so we're going to name our page for the purpose of this class. We're going to name this page. We're going to give this page a name. Okay, let me say Maygold Luxury Apartment. Maygold Luxury Apartments. Let's see. I hope. Okay, we got it. All right. So, so we've chosen our name. So in this step, we choose a name that in this step, you have to choose a name that reflects your business, okay? A name that is simple, clear, and easy to remember. So our name for this page, for the purpose of this class, is Make Good Luxury Apartments. So step 4. So you have to pick categories that describe your business. For Make Good Luxury Apartment, we can select, let's say, real estate. Real estate. Okay. I'm not sure we have that. Okay, so we can use property. Then we can use hospitality industry, hospitality, and probably restaurant, because there's a restaurant. Okay. So you can actually select more than one category if it applies to your business. So I've selected 3 categories on this. So the next step is to write a description, okay? Okay, your description should be short, clear, and optimized for search engine optimization. I hope we know what search engine is. So we're going to be doing that later in the course. For Make Good Luxury Apartments, let's do a description of this. Make Good Luxury Apartments. Luxury. For all guests. Okay, so use keywords related, okay, to your business so that your page appears in search results when people search for services like yours on Google. All right. So next we have to click on create page. Okay, our network is slow. We are done with these steps. So we'll click on next, okay? So the next step is to add a profile picture and a cover photo, okay? Your profile picture and cover photo make the first impression on visitors, okay? So you have to use a very high quality images, okay? Now, profile picture. For your profile picture, you can use your business logo or image that represents your brand. For example, for Make Good Luxury Apartments, I'm going to be using a logo for our picture, and for the cover photo, you can also use a large banner, okay, at the top of your page, okay. So use an inviting photo or for your brand, okay. Always use something very catchy, okay. For the purpose of this class, so I'm going to be using a logo for the bus, okay. So how do we do that? So what you need to do is to click on the profile picture icon. This is our profile picture icon. So we're going to be clicking on the profile picture icon. So it's taking me to my gallery. So I'm going to select a photo. It took me to my computer, I mean to say. I'm going to click on this logo to upload. So as simple and short. So you can see our Make Good Luxury Apartment is looking all beautiful, right? Okay, so for cover photo, click on the cover photo section. So let's click on the cover photo section to upload our cover photo. And for the purpose of this class, I'm going to be using the same cover because I don't have I'm yet to create a banner, so I can use the same logo as long as it looks good. Okay, so our banner is uploading. Beautiful. So, oh my God, our page is looking all beautiful already. So all you need to do is to position the images as needed to ensure they look perfect. Okay, so just as we can see. So we're going to click on next. So let's click on next. Okay, beautiful. So we're going to be posting here. So I want to congratulate you for because you just created your Facebook business page. Okay, so in the next lesson, I'll show you how to brand and optimize your page to attract more customers and boost engagement. So thank you for learning with me. And I'm excited to see the amazing business pages you'll be creating. All right. So thank you. We've come to the end of this class. Okay, so let me stop our recording so we can save.